Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll go over how to make this Arduino based propeller clock. Linked in the description you can find detailed instructions, sourcing information, Arduino code, 3D files, schematics, Eagle files and STL files. In order to build this you'll need a 3D printer, soldering station and familiarity with Arduino. Assuming you have most of the tools and component level parts, this project will probably cost around $100 to make. The big ticket items are the custom boards, motor, and real-time clock. At the end of the instructions document, I've numbered each part and linked to a source where it can be bought. To build the upper section, I 3D printed this green upper part. Then I used an M3 tap to cut threads in the holes. I designed the custom board in Eagle and got it made at OSH Park. I populated it with the components as listed in the instructions. I attached the hub and board to my 3D printed part and then bent the Hall effect sensor around to the gap. At this point, I uploaded the Arduino code. It uses a SparkFun DS1307 library, which is linked in the description. The code works by getting the time from the real-time clock and sending it to a function that lights the LEDs each time the Hall effect sensor sees the magnet. To make the lower section, I 3D printed the upper cone, lower cone, base plate, and magnet holder. I M3 tapped the holes and then screwed the cone together. I filled the upper cone with BBs for added weight. Next, I soldered the battery clip to the switch, heat shrank it, and then inserted it into the lower cone. I made sure that the motor was going to spin clockwise, and then soldered the switch and battery clip to the motor. I added baggies of BBs to the lower cone for additional weight. The weight is needed because without it you'll have greater vibration. Next, I held the magnet up to the Hall effect sensor to determine which side worked, and then press fit it into the magnet holder. This was then screwed onto the cone. I verified that the Hall effect sensor was picking up the magnet. At this point, the project is complete. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I plan to make and upload more videos that are similar to this one.